everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So here's the room I just got started on it here at the end of the day. Got the triple switch right there, 3 gang, and then a few plugs, heater, thermostat, switch. And so that's it for this area. Everything else is not done yet. So everything in here, everything else in the rest of the room, but I was gonna show you an example of some stuff here, but I can't find one right now, so. Anyways, yeah, that should pretty much about wrap it up, but I did want to mention there's a bunch of wildfires. They're pretty serious. As you can see, the sky right now is pretty gray and smoky. If you go further south, the sky is like red, orange, just all these different colors, black. So make sure to keep me in your thoughts and prayers as far as the state of Washington and Oregon, and probably California too. Just so many fires going on. It's pretty serious. And luckily, I'm working in here where I got windows. I can close the front door now that they got some front doors in here. There's a front door over there I can close. You can see the frame of it right there. But so I can basically close this all in. It gets a little bit hot in here, but it's nice, so I don't have to smell the smoke. So that's a good perk about working in here. Hopefully they got a bunch more doors done down the row here. I'm not sure how many doors they got installed, so but it's not too bad, but it is noticeable and not good to breathe it. So anyways, if you could pray about that, that'd be sweet. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you guys want any other type of videos, let me know. We don't have the AC plugs, otherwise I would have made a video about that, but I made like 6 or 7 videos yesterday about how to install USB plugs, laundry room plugs, range plugs, heaters, thermostats, all that good stuff. So if you didn't see that, or YouTube didn't notify anyone, I don't know, make sure to check those out. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can learn from if you want to, that interests you. That should probably about wrap up this day. So that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. And like I said, if you got anything you want to see, drop a comment below and I will make a video about it as best and as fast as I can. And check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. That should do it. Here's the vacuum I've been using. It's a nice little M18 18 volt, but the downside is when you suck stuff up, it gets stuck right here at the kink right here. So I don't know if I just need to turn it on and hold it straight up, but all the stuff gets stuck right here and then it loses suction and you have to clean it out. And then as I was vacuuming, I had my phone in my pocket, in my little pocket right here on my shirt, and I went to bend over, phone fell out, snapped off my headphone jack. Luckily it didn't break in my phone, but it snapped it and broke it, just the adapter to the 3.5 millimeter. So there goes 10 or 15 bucks, so that's sad. Right as I was saying I need to put this back in my pocket, it fell out, snapped it. So that's a nice way to end my day, but anyways, that's my bad. But luckily my screen didn't crack or anything like that, so we're all in good shape. So anyways, that should do it, guys, and yeah, peace. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. All right, guys, just walking down the 9,000 stairs real quick, but I'm probably gonna drive over to the house right now and check that out. So stay tuned for that, and I will give you guys a video about that. Hopefully they got some texture done in the house, maybe even some paint if I'm lucky. I haven't been there in a few days, so we'll go see what they got done. Peace. All right, guys, so I'm driving to the house right now, and as you can see, it's really smoky out. You can barely see over the hill, just all smoke. To give you a visual representation of what this looks like currently where I'm at.